Hi, my name is Janice and I created the Page a Day Math Learning System for children ages 3 to 9 years old. We have 9 series and each series helps children learn either addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, and also has a heavy emphasis on handwriting. So in front we have one of the series. This is the Math Handwriting Introduction series, which is for children ages 3 to 5. For children that are just starting to learn how to write numbers and hold a pencil. There are 10 books in this series, and there are about 6 months of practice. And all the child does is start from day one. So it's really easy for the parents, really easy for the child. You just start with book 1 and you open it up to the first lesson and you complete the first lesson and you're done. And when you're finished with that lesson, the child fills in a star, and every day they get a new star. So on day 1 they get 1 star, on day 2 they get 2 stars. There are 14 days in every book, and on day 14 you get 14 stars, and at the end you get a completion certificate. And the completion certificate is unique. There's 10 unique certificates, so if a child were to hang them on their wall or the fridge, they're all different and they're fun. The books are very colorful, like picture books. They're engaging. There's a joke on the back of every book. And they're fun. They're just fun to look through because they're full color. And we have the Math Squad. We have Bo, Zoe, Flo, Joe, and Mo. And they help make math fun and engaging and just very easygoing. So kids love the books. They love the size and they love the colors, and they're playful. So basically you're starting from book 1 and you work your way through the series till you get to book 10, and then you're finished. So there's about 6 months of practice in a series, a lot of practice. If you're familiar with Kumon or you're familiar with the Ba books, this learning system takes like the best of both worlds and puts it into a box so you can do it yourself at home, in the car, while you're waiting for siblings at an after-school activity. They're very easy to use. They're very easy to take along, and they're engaging and they're affordable. So we have these 9 series, and every series comes with downloadable flashcards, downloadable assessments, and a downloadable progress tracker. So the flashcards come like this on a sheet. There are all of the problems in the flashcards. So for example, we have 5 plus 11 and 11 plus 5. A lot of flashcards only will have that one way. But for a child, 11 plus 5 is very different than 5 plus 11. So we have all of the equations, and once you cut them, and having your child cut them is a great idea because they're working on their fine motor skills. They look like that. So we've got the question on the front with a character, and we've got the answer on the back. So your kids can use those. And they're color coded. So what does that mean? That means that every color has a number. And so there's stripes on the card. So if there's 2 different numbers, there's 2 different colors. And they're coordinated with the books. So for example, book 7 has a dark blue stripe. And book 6 has a light blue stripe. So if you had 6 and 7 on a flashcard, you would have a dark blue stripe and a light blue stripe. And it just makes things fun. There's also a lot of research about colors and learning, but basically it just makes things fun. And for some kids, it'll make it easier to remember. We also have a progress tracker with every series that's downloadable. You just print it out. And then your child can circle. It's kind of like a game piece, but your child can kind of see where they are in the whole series. So as they're working their way through the series, they just circle the book that they're on, and then they can see how much more they have to go and how much they've done, and just feel really proud of themselves. And it's cute, so they can hang it up on their wall. We have assessments. We have 4-part assessments. So every assessment they're incremental, so there's 4 parts. And as you're working your way through the series, you'll use each of the assessments. So tests for fluency and accuracy, and they're great, and they include every problem from 0 through 12, in addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division on the assessment. So you'll really understand if your child knows all of their math facts in that particular operation or not, and you'll know exactly what to work on. We also have downloadable review books, so you'll also get those. This is a printed book, but this is what the books will look like if you printed them. And they're really easy to print, and they look pretty good, even if you're printing them at home. And that's it. So we've got these series are in print currently. There a couple of the series are still as downloads only. This is what they look like when you take them out of the box. There are 5 colors that rotate in every series. So these are the colors of the books. Once you take them out of the box, they're really fun. Kids like to put them in different orders, like a rainbow, and that's it. Our goal is to make math fun for every child. Every child can be a math person. So my name is Janice. I created Page a Day Math. I hope you enjoyed this live. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below. If you like this video, click the like button. And if you have any questions at all, you can always email us at info@pageadaymath.com. Thanks so much for watching.